Everything's not too shabby on the inside. Of course, it got some headliner issues. Man, the back of those seats are clean. It's got everything. Excuse me, it's a little dusty. It's got everything though, all the little pieces. It's like 90% complete, man. Jacked up seat. It's got all the lights. Somebody cut open the stereo area for that Alpine, but that's about it. I think I can replace that dash though. Somebody out there's got one, I know. All the inside's good. Taking the seats out. Keep going. Keep cleaning her up. What can we do? New windshield. Kind of worked like the guy on Christine. What's his name? Artie Cunningham. But yeah, that's it. Got the frame there. Just took the mufflers off. I don't really have a lot of time to play with it. Or I do, I just don't play with it all the time. Wash all of it out, I don't care. Whatever needs to be replaced, we're going to replace. Gotta cut it. It's flooded. It's a Texas cutter. Anything in the way, we go through. Alright, so got the seats out, got the carpet out. She washed out the inside. About to blow out all the water, whatnot. Got one hole here. The hole, all this, gonna have to cut out. We haven't pulled that out yet. But it had a bunch of rat stuff, so, or mouse turds. So we had to clean that stuff out first. At least a little. Trunk, normal. Body box braces. Not too shabby. Washed the trunk out too. Got the rest of the junk out of there. Just taking our own time, man. Working at our own pace. Nobody's gonna tell me how fast or how slow to go. I'll go as I go, bro. So that's our Sunday.